What? Can you see my screen moving? No? You can only see my wallpaper? Oh my gosh, that... Oh, wait, it actually worked! I can record! Do you wanna play Roblox? Oh, how about the Avatar World? Me too. I'm recording already. Yeah, of course you are. Yeah, and my name is a long name. Uh, no, don't tell the viewers my name. You mean Hershey's? Dana, you know I'm literally recording. Stop doing that. Oh, okay. Then I'm talking to a ghost. Guys, I'm talking to a ghost. Who did? Guys, did you saw that, bro? Guys, like what? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? What happened? Really? Or what? Who are you talking to? Dana and Lexi, why? What about me? What about me? I haven't seen you all weekend, huh? How have you been? Dumb boy. You don't miss me? Really? What? To who? You have school tomorrow? Don't record. Already. Because it's gonna, your iPad's gonna slow down. Okay. Yeah, tap it and delete it. It's gonna slow down. No, it's not. It will, it will. No, no. Yeah, no. You know what? I'm just gonna play, I'm just gonna play Roblox. Let's play, but I'm already